Colorland dogs.
Hi everyone! In this video I will draw baby shark. Sharks live in the big blue ocean. It's like their giant playground, and they can be found swimming in all the different oceans around the world. They're excellent swimmers, and some can even zip through the water faster than a race car. Baby sharks start small and become big, strong sharks as they get older. Let's color. Orange. Take your bright orange color and carefully fill in baby shark's body. Orange is such a cheerful and warm color, making our little shark friend even more lovable. Let's add a bold touch of red to baby shark's fin, giving it an extra pop of color. Blue. Let's continue our colorful adventure by adding a cool shade of blue to baby shark's lower body. Brown. See you in the next video.